Welcome to MGL Stamp Studios. I am Maria G., an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in the United States. Today I'm featuring 3 ways to get started on your paper crafting journey. One way is to purchase stamp sets that you love, ink, pads, and paper, and I will demonstrate a card later in the video to show you how to do that. Paper Pumpkin is a Stampin' Up! All-inclusive monthly subscription that you can assemble and build your paper crafting collection. And the third way is to get all-inclusive project kits like this one, like this robot set that's really cute and intended to do with children or anyone at any craft level. If you're visiting my channel for the first time or a returning viewer, welcome and thank you for watching. You can create paper projects with family and friends by using diverse Stampin' Up! Images in stamp sets to create cards, journals, scrapbooks, and 3D projects to share and feel creative. It is so much fun to share your passion for paper crafting. Stampin' Up! Products have amazing, easy color combinations with coordinating paper, ink, markers, and embellishments. Here are 2 types of stamp sets. The first one, Forever Fern, is a rubber stamp set with a foam backing. This makes it easy to stamp with an acrylic block that I will show later. Hello Ladybug is a stamp set that can be purchased with a matching punch. And this set right here is a clear photopolymer stamp set. What that means is that you can see through the image as you stamp using an acrylic block. All right, so let's make a card together. We need 3 ink pads, and those colors will be featured in the link below this video, and a stamp set. Forever Fern is a great way to start, and some basic cardstock, and I'm going to use a bone folder to flatten out the top. Grabbing my rubber stamped image, I'm going to grab an image to my liking, an acrylic block, and it's sticky, and I'm going to put it on the acrylic block here, and now we're ready to stamp that image using the ink pad. So I'm going to open it up, put it on the surface, stamp, so some pressure on it, and here we go. We're going to put that image right onto the paper, and I'm just doing it randomly just to put the crisp image. You see how beautiful that looks and really easy. I want to stamp off to lighten it up and be able to add versatility to my ink pads by stamping off and making it lighter. I could do it twice and you see it's even lighter than that. So you don't need a lot of ink pads to make a diverse use of your ink. So now I'm going to get a smaller image and a different color, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to close the first ink pad so that I don't get an ink all over the place, and get that second color. And as I said, Stampin' Up! Has beautiful greens that can all match, and so see how easy and quick it is to make a card, and it just layers beautifully. Okay, and I can even put some in the inside and makes it really quick and simple. You don't need a lot to make a quick card. You can also grab an envelope, and I'm going to put this to the side so it doesn't get in the way. And see, I get the back of the envelope and stamp the same thing to make it a matching envelope. And I'm going to go grab the other image with the bigger leaf and use the same dark green, and I'm going to stamp it across so that now we have a matching envelope with this card. And that was super easy and simple. It's a great way to make a card. You can follow along if you have a stamp set like this. I'm going to use a darker green and I'm going to now look for a sentiment. A lot of the Stampin' Up! Sets have these wonderful sentiments that you can use with any of the stamped images. So you're able to expound on your purchase by using a lot of these sentiments in any of the projects that you have. So I'm going to get the card, first ink up the sentiment here, and I think right there on the top looks good. And see how quickly we made a card and its matching envelope. You can make a ton of these watching TV or just chatting with family and friends, and see how quick it was to just make a beautiful card set. So I highlighted Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is a subscription. You can do month to month or skip a month if you wish. And it comes with an acrylic block to get started. I've already assembled this kit, but I just want to show you what it looks like. It has an exclusive um, set of ink spots, and it comes sometimes with embellishments. This month it came with this stamp set and an extra stamp set. I had a scissors because I made this project elsewhere, and it also has some embellishments. And see, I've already assembled it here. I had fun at a park, and I just assembled these beautiful cards. And it's so easy to do, and every month you can do a lot with these, and there's a lot of alternatives. It comes with easy instructions that you can look and to get inspired. And it also comes with that acrylic block that once you get started, you can use them. So I really, really recommend using Paper Pumpkin as a way to get started, just because you can get inspiration every month, meet up with your friends and make these projects and build on your creative outlet and build your collection. So here you have 3 ways to start your paper crafting journey. Look on the link below to get all the details of everything I've highlighted today. I didn't show the Hello Ladybug, but I do have a video that I'll also link so that you can find more details on how to use that set. Stampin' Up! Has a new catalog coming out in 2 weeks, and it's so exciting. So come by and visit my website today. Bye bye.